Right, should be on his last stretch now. On his last stretch. Well done, Michael. Is that it there? Here he comes. Across the line again.
No, it's here, right here.
Well done, mate.
There you go, mate.
Well done, mate. Hard one this time.
Got to keep this shape.
Right. Yeah. Hard one today, wasn't it, mate?
Shape, yeah. There you go.
Lovely job. Right, bud.
Today.
Yeah, I know. I know. Don't you think he'll pick himself up this afternoon? Or?
No,
He's gonna...
he's got a broken leg today.
Yeah.
Pain.
So do you think?
And today was absolutely the hardest one I've done.
Yeah. Now I must admit, Aachen wasn't a great place to go through. You got a lot of stops and starts, and you had a lot of bumps and curves, people getting in the way.
Yeah.
But if you can, it's 5 down. It's 5 down. We always knew today was going to be a hard one. I mean, we're lucky to have 23-hour recovery time now.
Yeah.
You know, he's not going to be running till what?
I don't know if that's such a good thing, you know.
How's your backside? Coping alright?
At least we haven't got to run around these part of the world ever bloody again. No, not this week.
Twat opens his mouth again.
And the sun's fading.
Oh, must say, we thought today was going to be a nice one, as we were going to be running ground we'd already covered.
Yeah.
But in reflection, it was boring.
Yeah.
Felt like Groundhog Day.
It didn't look good.
And it was hard.
Yeah, it looks hard actually.
Best bit was running through Aachen. Was it?
Oh, you like that?
I thought it was worth it. I've actually enjoyed that. We slowed up by lots of traffic lights, but
yeah,
it was good though, wasn't it, Mike?
Yeah.
Split it up.
Broke the day up.
I thought it would have been difficult with the stopping and starting and the curbs and whatever, but
it was nice. I think that last week got you being too hard. I couldn't go down that road again. I want to go to golf and tonight to have a beer. That's about it. I didn't want to bloody run to golf. Did you not listen to that nutritionist? Yeah, I need to plenty of water afterwards.
I'll see if I can get that this afternoon. That interview and get it on the net. Right.
Is that turned off?
No?